Marketing is constantly changing, and change is our middle name. We are constantly challenging ourselves to stay ahead of the curve, be it with digital transformation, marketing automation, or social media diversification. People, business owners, come to us with their dreams, and we help them bring them to life.
My name is Bob Smith. I'm with Geoscience Engineering. We hired Boral agency to redo our website. And I told them at the very onset that we didn't expect to get any business through that because we're an engineering company. But when they launched it was an excellent looking website. We're very happy with it. And next thing you know, we started getting projects. We were getting 2 to 3 projects a week. And we got our return on investment within about 6 weeks.
Hello, this is Don McClure, and I'm here to tell you about the Boral Agency. I've been doing work with the Boral sisters since 2016, for a long time. We launched my website, actually 2 websites. We've worked on all of my social media, and we've made a plan and put a plan into place about how to publish, how often to publish, where to publish. And it's been great having really another right arm. It's like having somebody right here in my office helping me accomplish all the things that I want to accomplish.
Ever since I signed up with Patricia, Brenda, Haley, and Sandra, our lead generation has been phenomenal. They first started out with building our website early this year, and ever since then our marketing campaign has just gone through the roof. They can take care of your Google, your Yelp, your website maintenance, and if you're ready to really take that next step in your company and take on new customers, I would suggest giving them a call. They can even blog for you too. Chris Sideman, Third Coast, thank you so much, Boral Agency.
We have undeniable confidence that will provide amazing results because we understand that success doesn't just happen. It happens by strategy, by reimagining brands, by creating impactful campaigns with innovation, diversity, and inclusion in mind. It happens by doing research and finding the right solutions for our clients. It's in finding a name, creating a brand, and building a website with purpose. By collaborating with the business owners, marketing directors, CEOs, and our team. Success happens by raising the standards and knowing that little details count.